in this question we have to find the value of B. This is AB and this is CD line. Here the line cutting these two line is P and Q. This is Y point, this is X, and we have to find this. For this, keenly look at the picture. This angle is given and this is also given. For this, first of all, CYP, if you can see that this is CYP, this CYP, this is equal to 2B negative 2 degree, because this is vertex opposite angles. This is a vertex opposite CYP. This is vertex opposite angle 2B, and after that you can also see that CYP. Okay, CYP. This is and CYP plus 4B plus 10 degree is equal to 180 degree. CYP and this angle, because these angle are internal angle. These are internal angles, and see here internal angle, and see AB. This AB is parallel to CD. Okay, now these are two information from the picture. Now you can easily put the value of this CYP. This is 2B negative 2 degree plus 4B plus 10 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now this is 2B negative 2 plus 4B plus 10. Okay, now this is 6B. 2B plus 4B is 6B. This is plus 8 and 180 degree. Now subtracting 8 on both sides, this is 180 negative 8. This is 6B plus 8 negative 8. This is cut off, and this 6B is equal to 172 degree. Okay, now after that now dividing on 6B on both sides, this is 172 divided by this is 28.67. this is B degree, and keep in mind this is negative 10 and we took this positive. Okay, you can take this 10 negative 10, or you can means in question I wrote 4B negative 10, but I took 4B plus 10. So in the procedure is same, and this is 4B plus 10. Okay, any value of this value, but this is the way you can solve. The important thing is you must know about the properties of angle, vertex opposite angle, and after that this is internal angle, and after that you have to do this question.